to play Name That Sound, the game where you tell us what animal's making the sound that you hear behind the door. Let's begin with number 1. Yes, that's absolutely correct. It is a duck indeed. All right, now let's listen to number 2. Okay, what's the animal behind number 2? Whoa, give him a peanut. Oh, I mean point, for it is indeed an elephant. You're doing great, so let's try number 3. Whoa, another correct answer. Let's go on to number 4. Oh, rock-a-doodle on the noodle. You're right again. If we hurry, we have time for one more. Number 5. Can you repeat that one more time? Oh, no, we're out of time. Let's see what is behind there. How about that? Well, that's all the time we have for today on Name That Sound. I'd like to thank Practical Polly Planks for the parrot, and always be kind to your pets.